Hello everyone, if you're trying to download anything from the Microsoft Store and it won't download, it's stuck on pending, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this pending bug on Microsoft Store easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your task manager. So you're going to right click on your taskbar, click task manager, and then you're going to go into your services here, and here you're going to find the service called Clip SVC. So here it is, Clip SVC. As you can see, it's running for me. If it is running for you as well, just right click on it, click stop first, and then click start again. If it's already stopped, then just click start on here. And after that, what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that your date and time is configured correctly, because if it is configured incorrectly, then your computer will have problems when it tries to connect to the internet. So just right click on your date and time, click adjust date and time, set your time zone correctly here, and after that click set time automatically, and then click sync down here. And after that, you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here run, you're going to write here ws reset.exe, and then open it up, and then it will reset your Microsoft Store, and you can now go ahead and download any application on Microsoft Store, and you will see that it will download correctly. You will not get that pending error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.